Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Let me get that. I'm in here doing my face. Sort of playing with my hair. Thinking about my trip that I'm going to take to warmer weather for a few days. And then I thought, as I was doing my face, this came to me. And I had to share. I just had to share with you. Before I start sharing, let me start thanking you and letting you know that I'm grateful for you. Just like I'm grateful that God wakes me up every morning. I am grateful for the people that He puts in my life. I'm grateful for my subscribers. I'm grateful for my family and my friends. And I want to say thank you for all that you do to uplift and encourage me. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, here's my question to you. What are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell and become a part of the Jean family. Now let me tell you what I just thought of. People are like lipstick. They can dull your day or they can brighten your day. That came to me this morning when I was doing my face. I put this lipstick on first. And then, just because of some things I've learned from Janelle Shinari, I added this lipstick on top of it. Yeah, that's what they do. And it's us. It's me that allow it to happen. So I can allow what you do, say, or the way you act brighten my day or dull my day. I'm in control. Okay? It is my reaction that controls my day. So anyway, here we go. Before I thought of that lipstick thing, I was thinking of a day when my son and his family were here and we went out to Burger King. We went to the Burger King that was closest to the house. And we went to the drive-thru. We sat there. I know it was over a minute and no one responded to us being at the drive-thru. Then a truck came around. It was a man in the truck and he said to us, "They don't have any burgers." And so we talked about it. We were like, Burger King, but no burgers. But I wanted a Whopper. I just felt like a Whopper. So we decided to drive to the Burger King that was closer to the interstate. And that wasn't too much out of our way. So we went to that Burger King, pulled up to the drive-thru, and a young lady said, "Welcome to Burger King. Can I help you? Can I take your order, please?" Or something to that effect. And we gave our order. She repeated our order and then asked if we wanted certain things on different items. Placed our order, gave us the price. We went driving around and there were other cars in front of us, so we started a discussion. And my son said, "Wow, I have not had customer service like that from Burger King ever." And we drove up to the first window, and in that first window, we had to pay. So we asked that girl if she took our order, and she said, "No, I just take the money." It's someone in the other window. We got to the second window to pick up our order, and I'm gonna let you see this in the back, what I'm doing. And I'm just playing around with my hair. We got to the second window to pick up our order, and someone said that she started giving us our order, and then she said, "Well, hi, Miss Goodwin." And I was like, "Hi, how are you?" I looked at her, and she said, "Kalani, you know, from Sea House." And then we started talking to her and asked her, did she take our order? She said, yes, I did. We told her about the wonderful customer service that we experienced as a result of her. Now, I didn't recognize her because when she's maybe about 17, 18 at the time, and the last time I saw her was over 5 years ago. And so I didn't recognize her, but she recognized me. I realized that it wasn't Burger King. Burger King wasn't at fault, but it's the people at Burger King. Yeah, it's the people at Burger King. You know, we could have stopped and said that we were going to go to another restaurant after our first encounter, after our first disappointment. But we knew what we wanted, and we were willing to give Burger King another chance. But it's not Burger King. It was the people at Burger King. So the management at the first Burger King, for some reason, didn't come through for us. But at the second Burger King, we had a wonderful experience. I hope that you take away something positive from this story that I'm telling you, because that's what I aim to do, is to add positive light to your life as I present to you things that you may be able to do to your sisterlocks. I am trying to figure out ways to wear my sisterlock when it gets warmer. So that's what I'm doing now, trying to figure out ways to keep it off of my neck. I hope my husband likes my hairstyle today, because I hope it turns out pretty good so I can wear it out. I am going today to get my last vaccine. I'm just happy to be able to do that. I'm going to take this headband off to see how this hairstyle turns out for me. I'm going to take it down this way right now and see what this looks like. I need some water. Try to smooth down these unruly grays. They don't always, you don't treat me right. Gonna get the mirror and see what this looks like. I need to do something up in here. I may add a braid down the middle and keep these two braids as well. When I say braid, I mean a flat twist. Or maybe I could do braids. I'm gonna try not to take up too much of your time. But you know, you can always go and come back. But just don't leave me hanging. Hey. My sister-in-law likes my up and down styles. Let me see what I can do like this. I'm just gonna grab this hair, because I didn't take it down completely. I think she's just gonna call this a crown. And I'm gonna put one of my ponytail holders in here. Yeah, I know that could be a style as well. The only thing I don't like about that is that I consider myself to have a long head anyway, so it seems like that just makes my head look longer. But I actually like the style. I'll figure out something else to do, and I might come back another time and show you what it looks like. I am not going to take up another too much of your time, because I don't want to be the dull lipstick in your life. I want to be the one that brightens your life. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers, and I love my followers. And I especially love God, because he's been so good to me. Yes, he has. And I am not going to wear this because I have on this blouse and it does not go together. So yeah, I'm going to take this off right now. And I want you to try to be a bright lipstick in this world. Love you guys.